Clear the bench, we're bringing the load down.
Roger that, Charlie. Stand by for dump.
As you can see, the integration is complete. We have full system-wide readiness for sustained production.
From the bauxite mine to the global market, our integrated supply chain ensures stable inventory buffers and rapid throughput.
Hull Sixton is charged. Confirming stemming procedure initiated. Stand by for continuity test. Control, this is Alpha 1. Convoy is moving past the inspection point. Maintain current separation.
Check the tension on idler 7.
Looks good from here, but let's watch the alignment near the motor.
Alignment looks good up ahead.
Yep. Check the weightometer.
It's steady at 500 tons per hour.
Check the lower deck flow.
Readings are stable, right on target.
Looks good up here too.
Confirmed.
Check the pressure on manifold 3.
Reading stable at 40 psi.
The moisture levels are consistently within target range now.
Good. Ensure the vacuum pumps maintain pressure.
Moisture levels look consistent with the last batch.
Agreed, the grade seems stable. I'll log that now.
Roger that. Flow rate is holding steady. We are clear for continuous operation.
The feed rate is fluctuating. Bring it up to 60 tons per hour.
Adjusting the slider now, Supervisor.
Roger that. Operations.
Maintain current feed rate. Digestion is ready for the batch.
Alert acknowledged on the beneficiation circuit.
Confirmed. Flow rate stabilizing at target levels.
Digestion feed stable at 20 tons per hour.
Copy that. Maintaining current flow rate.
The stockpile drawdown is reconciled.
Good. The feed rate deviation is correcting.
Audit confirms the mass balance is verified.
adjusting the delivery window for the morning loadout.
Confirmed. The system shows the update across all boards.
Luby points 4 and 5 confirmed.
Okay, logged it. We are clear here. Moving on.
We hit target throughput, but monitor the number 3 feed rate. Safety walk went smooth.
And the maintenance on the calciner is still slated for, 800.
The trend graph confirms the optimization worked. See the spike here.
Confirmed. Energy consumption is down while throughput increased.
The reuse percentage is holding steady above 95%. Good, we are well within compliance limits for this quarter.
As you can see here, the reactive silica levels are consistently dropping.
Yes, the beneficiation upgrades are clearly paying off. As you can see on the synchronized timeline, the Q3 output aligns perfectly with the refinery's demand forecast.
Yes, the adjusted logistics.
Alignment confirmed, target weight set.
Roger that.
Dust suppression is active.
As you can see, the integration is complete. We have full system-wide readiness for sustained production.
By shifting the bench layout here, we optimize the haul route
And mitigate the rainfall impact on the exposure zones.
K2 and K3 are clear to proceed through the maintenance zone. Grader is holding position.
Fueling complete on the 240. Retracting the hose now.
Copy that. Excavator systems are green. Confirmed. Returning to active duty.
Hauler 7, new vector to primary crusher. Acknowledge.
Reroute confirmed. ETA adjusted.
The extensometer data aligns with the radar sweep.
See this zone here? It's completely stable. I'm updating the model now.
Good, we can clear the extraction team for the next phase. XRF reading is consistent, 45% aluminum oxide.
Confirmed. Log that as batch 7.
Sample taken for the lab.
Strict adherence to the waste management plan ensures the stability of the overburden slopes for final reclamation.
The penetrometer readings look good on this slope.
And the survival rate is exceeding expectations.
We should report this back to the main office.
The wind speeds are holding steady below the threshold.
Good, we can continue blasting Schedule A then.
Radar shows the storm front dissipating by 1600 hours. Camera alignment on Mass 3 looks good.
Confirmed. Vehicle access granted. Log updated.
Let's check the eastern sensor next. We have visual on the simulated breach. Deploying now.
Copy that.
Incident is declared contained. Good son. Good work, team.
All right, keep the RPM steady as you engage the hoist. Feel the tension there?
Got it. So ease off the throttle slightly before the dump point.
Exactly. That minimizes wear on the hydraulics.
The sustained output clearly validates the strategy.
And the updated forecast confirms the long-term outlook.
Agreed. We are aligned on the next steps.
The haul cycle optimization has reduced our average time significantly.
Excellent. I'll update the throughput metric now.
Vehicle 4 initiated the turn sequence at waypoint 7.
Confirmed. Speed and trajectory are nominal.
This recovery efficiency spike here is directly linked to the new beneficiation process. We need to standardize this across all open pit operations by Q3.
The extended timeline confirms the viability of these reserve zones.
Yes, the audited figures align with the projected. As you can see, the whole intersection remains our primary vehicle interaction.
I've implemented the new traffic flow controls.
Look at the PF curve on the gearbox. It's sharply declining.
Agreed. I've initiated the work order for replacement.
This is where the crushing and beneficiation stages bottleneck. What's the solution?
We can reroute the output here. Yes, that works. It aligns with the logistics.
I've finalized the Scope 1 emissions data.
And the third-party assurance has been verified. We are ready to publish.
From the bauxite mine to the global market, our integrated supply chain ensures stable inventory buffers and rapid throughput.
Adjusting the logistics parameters now.
Look at the immediate impact on the buffer stock.
That brings us back within the 48-hour benchmark.
Increasing throughput at the primary crusher node by 10%.
Flow rates are updating in real time. The change is validated.
Cross-referencing with live data now.
reclaimer is at 80% capacity. Berth readiness is optimal. Proceed with loading sequence.
Flow rate stable at 2,000 tons per hour.
Roger that. Extending the boom slightly to port side for trim adjustment.
The samples are secured and labeled.
The readings are satisfactory. We can issue the certificate.
Signatures are complete. Advise the captain we are cleared for departure.
All parameters checked and verified.
Confirmed. Tugs are ready. We have clearance for departure.
Bridge to tug 1, maintain current thrust. We are aligning with the channel.
Transit conditions remain stable across the Atlantic. Good. The bauxite shipment is on schedule.